Pagdating ng NCAA Season 99, kahit next game lang ng EAC, kailangan bantayan na yung Frelwin Takulog na yan, no? And Frelwin Takulog is starting to become a household name here. And this Frelwin Takulog, service ace, Frelwin Takulog.
Weaknesses ng bawat isa at kung paano nila i-maximize yon to their advantage.
That's Frelwin Takulog. This match is magic bunot for EAC. Budin! Nice dig right there. Pumunta nga lang. Isa pa para kay Takulog. Check yun.
Sa ngayon, makikita natin yung blockings ng NU. Parang sinasarhan nila yung down eh. They forget na yung tinatarget ngayon ng EAC ay pa-cross court.
Frelwin Takulog will stay on the floor for EAC and he will start the second set. And seeing the way right now, of course, your number one plan is to destroy everything. Pababain yung moral nitong EAC na yon. Pero hindi pa natatapos this EAC rally here in set number 2. Ace pa!
Another ace for EAC. Nahihirapan sila ngayon gumalaw eh.
Nagmimistulang magic bunot ngayon dito si Frelwin Takulog ng EAC dito sa set number 2. Budin gumawa ng paraan. Elio to Budin. No! Another try for the Bulldog. 10 serving 12. Saria. Bigay kay Takulog. May bago tayong tatatakan dito sa EAC. Kung nung first game si Ruther Abor, nung kanilang second game against Ateneo si Ervin Osabel, ngayon dito sa NU si Frelwin Takulog.
Yeah, looking back, hindi.
Natin, diba? Will the Generals respond? Yes, indeed!
Grabe yun oh. Even though binantayan na nga, even though alam na ng NU na siya na yung papalo, still nakakita pa rin siya ng butas sa gitna.
No, punta kay Diskitado. Wala. Takulog. That one goes through.
Smart
Takulog.
attack. Smart attack there. Kita mo naman na sinubukan ng sara ng NU. 3 blockers. Pero ayun nga, kapag tatlong nag-block.
Jones. Takulog. And Takulog will score!
They're really giving NU a hard time here.
Try to dunk it to no avail. Diskitado will set this over. Si Jones ang nag-set. Takulog. Got that one.
Medyo
And Frelwin Takulog is starting to become a household name here in this matchup. Siya pa naka-ace. Ang paulit-ulit si Grem Esber, yung ating venue announcer dito. Frelwin Takulog, service ace, Frelwin Takulog. And I won't be surprised if Frelwin Takulog is now in double digits pagdating sa puntusan. Sa kabila, Mukaba, naiintindihan ng lahat ng coaches to tsaka ng players, mapababae, mapalalaki, the risk involved with those jump serves, di ba? High risk, high reward.
yes.
Frelwin Takulog na naman. Sandali lang, Jay, tsaka Joel. Ako muna pag-usapan yung atake ko. Ayun. Frelwin Takulog nga. At mukhang napagsasabihan lang siya dito ni first referee Jethro Paredes. Pare, alam namin maganda laro mo. Pero steady lang. Saria, punta kay Takulog. Doug. Habol si Bello. Bigay kay Aringo. Nandun si Jones. Takulog! Pagdating ng NCAA Season 99, kahit next game lang ng EAC, kailangan bantayan na yung Frelwin Takulog na yan, no? We are tied at 20. Saria, bigay kay Takulog. Nahabol, pero puntos yun para kay Frelwin Takulog.
You can see
And a revelation, perhaps one more on the side of the EAC. A revelation, itong si Frelwin Takulog just played his first match here in the Collegiate Challenge. And he did show up for EAC. But this NU offense perhaps is too much. May Disquitado, may Budin, and meron pa Leo Aringo. Isama mo na yun, di ba? And the defense of the Bulldogs also present in those dying moments of the sets.
yeah, but we were also able to see